When is it gonna feel like a real game?
You know, I don't think they know what the hell they're doing right now. Everyone's kind of stepping on each other's toes.
My goal was to contribute one feature, 6 hours in, and that has not been accomplished yet.
I tried to use Prime's computer, and it's unusable.
I don't even think that any of them ran the game last night.
I literally RMRF'd Tilde.
All right, so we are just wrapping up day two, and day two, everything's starting to actually feel like a game. We have a lot of levels. Everything's looking really good. TJ's just gonna do a quick rewrite of the animation system after hearing a 2-hour lecture from Casey Moratori last night. Very fantastic. But today, it's all about making it feel good and look nice. So I gotta rework a bunch of tower stats. I gotta rework the Forge menu. And so now it's just really that final stretch of making things nice, because after that, it's just all vibing cards and just like, hey, let's try a new mechanic. And we also spent 4 hours with the cursor guys getting a microphone set up and being able to send everything through so I can just talk to cursor and make it do everything I want. It's very fantastic.
All right, testing, 1, 2, 3.
So one surprising part about finishing up day two, I am not horribly tired yet. So this is good. We're in a good place. We've been pacing ourselves. We're only working like 12 hours a day. So I'm feeling great, ready to finish off for the next 6 hours here.
Is it even plugged in?
Oh yeah, we plugged it out.
Oh, all right, we figured out the problem, everybody. We figured out the problem.
So just kind of thinking about that competition yesterday with Doug, Point Crow, and Casey Muratori, there's actually some pretty good cards there. So if you didn't know about it or you didn't watch it, there was Casey Muratori and Bagan, you had Point Crow and Tej, and then you had Doug and I, and we each had to come up with a card that or some sort of mechanic that could be played in the game. Doug and I created a tower, Began created a card, and TJ created, he created an inventory item, the baby, okay, the crying baby. It's very, very brilliant. But the ones that definitely are gonna be sticking around is gonna be Began's possession. So he came up with this idea where towers can have upgrades, right? So you can put on more damage, more range, but then if you put on Began's possession, what it will do is it will remove all the upgrades, but the next time you place that tower, all those upgrades go on next time, which means that you can spend like 10 energy on a card and then Began's possession at last round because you know you're gonna win, and then the following round or the following level you can then lay it back down. So it's like such a huge boost. It's such a cool way to play into the future of the game. We're gonna also probably have a meme mode, some sort of checkbox. It's like add memes, and so that way my capture tower, Doug's capture tower, can stay in, and of course Point Crow and TJ's Crybaby tower can stay in. It'll be good. It's a good idea. It's a good idea.
Well, the biggest thing that really happened last night is that I tried to use Prime's computer, and it's unusable because it's Dvorak, and he's actually made it so it's Dvorak for whatever keyboard you plug in there.
Prime just software remapped it to Dvorak, and we don't know how to type in the password to get there.
Then we're trying to we all use the same password. Prime used a different password, so we have to figure out his different password and how to type it in Dvorak. We probably spent like 30 minutes on that.
.pmcban, y.pmcban. Looks like another no. I'm gonna hit.
The enter key will be different also.
Oh my God, are you joking? He has a special Dvorak?
Ed woke up, came upstairs, and just was like, I'll just hack it.
Whoa.
And then proceeded to break Prime's computer.
Oh my God. Oh my God, we've made it worse. Okay.
That's not great. So,
Hello. I'm Ben Burke, member of the YouTube collective Krazam. I just got in this morning, a couple days late, but I'm joining now. I'm here till the end. And I just went on stream for a little bit. My goal this time was to make it at least 5 minutes before getting completely owned by chat, which is exactly what happened last time I came here. Thankfully, I did that because I came on in the middle of the guys trying to configure some Linux settings or something, and it was going very poorly. I saw the vlogs in the first few days. I saw a lot of features being committed, like towers that make you solve captchas and stuff, so I can tell that productivity is at an all-time high. I don't know, I'm here for 5 days. Last time I was only here for 2. I know that last time, by the end of the 2 days, my sanity was in the gutter, and I can already tell that's happening upstairs, so.
I think all other Linux distros are propaganda, and everyone should just use Ubuntu 24 LTS.
We're actually gonna hold a real stand-up because no one knows what's going on. Everyone's building new engines and new frameworks, and I don't know what's happening. The game is getting better. It really, really, really is. We just need to focus on making the game like playable in its current state where it's fun. I'm gonna try and make it friendly for normies, not for a bunch of developers who are like, yeah, it looks terrible, but you know, hey, whatever. Look at the mechanics are working properly. The numbers are moving.
Hey, we have stand-up guys. Team, come on in.
Also, you know what stage our company's at when you're coming in to stand with a nice glass of wine, a nice red, you know?
Oh, nice. Oh, dude. Hold on, wait. Is that merch right there?
Oh yeah, I guess it is.
Bash.
Wow, I've never seen such cool things.
Team, can we gather in here, please? We have the time booked for 4:30. We're running 8 minutes behind. Just want to introduce myself. I'm the new hire around here. My name is Ben. I've been brought in because management was concerned there was a lot of commits and stuff getting committed, but not a lot of Scrum methodology happening in the towers. So Cursor brought me in to kind of get things under control, implement some process. So here we go. So are we familiar with a little thing called Scrum, guys? Scrum? Scrum is an amazing tool to get things done fast and on time to make sure everybody is working on the most important features.
Is this Tylenol user meetup?
So we're going to go around, everybody. I want to just hear kind of a quick update. So it's a really simple process. We're going to do what you did yesterday, what you did today, and any blockers. Okay. All right, and I got the board here. I'll look at the board as we go so that we can see, make sure we're all staying on task as we move into the afternoon and the evening shift, okay? I don't want to see any red tasks being committed. I will find you.
Who's
all right, let's
going
kick
first?
things off here. Gigi, you want to kick us off here?
He's the senior lead dev.
All right.
Gigi, what are you working on?
So what did I do yesterday? Well, I was talking with our senior architect, Casey Murtori. He informed me we've made some terrible architectural decisions. On the plus side, it only took 3.5 hours. So I'll be rewriting our animation system today.
5 days until shipping. Quick animation system rewrite.
I was blocked by my previous self and skill issues. We're hoping to rectify that situation.
Great. Okay, I'm going to make a note of that.
Our Scrum Master finally arrived. We had to ship him in a bit late. Didn't think we were going to need him, but clearly from our progress over the last few days, it was needed. We had our first stand-up today, and I really felt the team gelled in a way that we've never gelled before.
So I have a little bit different kind of style of update I would just like to throw out there. Don't worry, I'm going to maintain form, but I just would like to say that unlike TJ, who's doing architectural astronautism going on right now, he's just rewriting everything. Some of us are going to be doing more practical things. I'm going to really focus in, I'd say, the Forge and the tower upgrade experience because they don't feel good right now. You know, they feel very jarring because that means I am TJ got 6 to 13.
He's got 13, so you're
okay. So I got 16. So I'm going to do more work classically. I'm going to do more work than TJ again.
We'll track the burn down chart as we go. Okay.
Yeah.
Great. Please parking lot it, please? Thank you.
You can park these nuts on your chin.
I
think stand-up went really well. I think the team really appreciated having a little bit of process involved.
These nuts on your chin.
A little bit of Scrum methodology. I could really tell. I could see their faces lighting up.
These nuts.
Going through the story, having a backlog, having a storyboard. I can really tell they appreciate the value of that. Yeah, I'm really glad I was able to spread some of the agile methodology to the tower today. I'm really proud of that.
Well, I will say off the top, I'm used to these being hand stand-ups because, you know, in Australia, we're fighting gravity the whole time.
Sure.
But yesterday, what were we working on? We were doing some last-minute out-of-scope feature ads, and I was doing some assets for those. We had to get a capture system in there and completely refactored the dimensions on cards. So I've got a lot of art to do to kind of like reshape to the proper size of cards now. So a bit of rewrites there. Today, we're also going to be looking at UI.
How is the best way to figure it out about normal people? You use bots, obviously.
We built a simulation testing system because we have to balance the game. It's not really that fun because it's completely unbalanced. We can't play it all day, so we're trying to get AI to play it for us. That actually kind of worked. Before, when we ran the simulations, no one, even the AI couldn't pass it. Now it can beat up to 6 levels, so that's pretty good.
I'm also gonna try and anytime someone Prime's gonna do some wacky stuff like he did yesterday, I'm gonna at night clean up whatever his mess is.
None of the captures were solvable by humans because they were questions about Fat Tony where the ASCII art did not correspond to what the actual questions are. So it'd say which one looks like an Italian pizzeria? And it's just gibberish ASCII art. So we reduced all the captchas to be our own captchas, still Fat Tony themed. We added a cooldown system so you can actually see it cooling down. We made it almost playable. After we finished making it playable, Bash Buddy and I both realized, oh my God, it's so not fun to play because you have to click on the tower. But it's still in the game, okay? So we made it a more rare card. That happened.
All right, yesterday implemented some new features for towers, talking water tower, fire tower, all that boring stuff. Today, I hacked Prime's computer and changed his password.
Real.
Turns out the password was never different. It was just Dvorak. That was disappointing. Today, I rewrote how the collision system works so the animations aren't broken, and I drank some wine.
The biggest thing that I want to see done is there's this awful blocking dialogue when we have to upgrade the towers, and that is absolutely terrible because it happens like 4 times through one wave, and then you have to just keep spamming continue when it comes up, and it's very intrusive. So it would be nicer as a real gamer. My advice is that we should have just a passive little pop-up that doesn't disrupt the user.
So I've got a lot to do. I'm gonna be undoing all of what Prime's doing. I'll be making sure the game is playable. I will have to spend some time breaking it as well. I've got a lot of errors that I'm experiencing only on my machine. Doesn't work on my machine. But yeah, my biggest blocker right now is I forgot why I'm here.
Great.
Yeah. So Ben just showed up tonight. Cursor sent him over to get the team together. They are not happy with how things are going. He showed up. Everything's on track. Things are looking so much better. I already see some light at the end of the tunnel finally. Ben seems like a guy who's really got it together.
I'm losing it. It's one day in here, I'm losing it.
I think he's gonna really bring a lot to the team.
Maybe next time we can do a shower stream. How about that?
He seems super technical.
Can somebody get these guys a deodorant sponsor next time?
Super smart, and he's really good at cracking the whip and getting everyone into shape.
My nerd cred is going down the toilet. I couldn't name the World of Warcraft spell. Polymorphism.
So we just did stand up, and no one asked me about my status update, so I'm a little upset about that. So first of all, I caught a Bulbasaur before the status update, and I wanted to really share that. No one cared. It's fine, but you know, I've been observing the team for the past hour in the background where I was sleeping. And, you know, I don't think they know what the hell they're doing right now. Everyone's kind of stepping on each other's toes, pretty chaotic up there. And, you know, at this point in time, I'm not that confident in what they're going to do. But, you know, I hope they pull through. I hope they synergize. I hope they work together. We got a new Scrum Master, Ben. At first, I thought he was going to be a strong candidate. I'm not sure so much right now. But, you know, I hope they pull through. And when I come back, the game better be playable. That's all I'm going to say.
I need light mode actually. Let's get some cappuccino light mode going on here. Put your sunglasses on, chat. We're going in. Bam.
One time I was moving fast in Vim, and I accidentally opened up this and then created a file called tilde. And then when I went to delete it,
oh no.
Oh my god.
I literally RMRF'd tilde.
Oh.
Deleted my home. This happened on stream like 6 months ago.
Shit, am I deleting myself? Oh gosh, see, now I don't, okay, how do I delete this without effing myself?
Beacon keeps defeating his deodorant, which I'm very quickly finding out what that means.
No, natto?
Can stink more than this room, okay?
Yeah. Sorry, guys.
Bunch of Neobim users, Emacs users, and eating a ton of protein.
I really like the nighttime crew. They're really productive.
My crew is the best crew, dude. Why do you think I came in at 4 a.m.?
True.
Ooh,
Good call,
drama. I've stolen the crown and I'm dissing daytime. My crew actually gets stuff done. Yesterday was my first morning here, but I came in and the game was already better. And I was like, we didn't do this. I know, I know we didn't do this.
There's a lot of bubbles going on at night.
Oh yes! Night stream begins! Night crew!
No clear mission, but there's so much to do. Yap. Code. The tower.
This monitor has great resolution. Who makes this thing? Ben, you did a great job.
But so far, I think the vibes are high. You know, we got Lee Rob here. We got the Cursor team.
I'm Lee. I go by @LeeRob online. This is Eric. We work at Cursor, and we're here hanging out.
We're at a solid 0 of code written today by the AI, prompted by me. Maybe we'll hit 10 lines. We'll see. But I have 10 glasses of wine, so we're doing good. Good job, everybody.
Who does jujitsu? Those are my only 2 things.
I've been to one jujitsu class, and let me tell you, the guy smelled so bad I refused to sign up.
It was probably trash.
Yeah. I couldn't believe me. That hurt me, Bash, okay?
Well, I can smell you from here.
No, wait, are you have to take a shower?
Kind of check out, just feel out the vibes here.
Yeah,
Well, I can already tell you've done the wrong thing.
Whoa, look
at that.
That's slick. That's
That
good.
that was super cool looking, and I love what you did.
It's dead. Prime hates it.
I don't even think that any of them ran the game last night. I saw some of the VOD last night. There was a bug that was introduced like early on. Didn't get fixed by Night Crew. Didn't get noticed by anyone. I go in, real gamer. I'm master rank in Pokemon Unite, by the way. Walking in there, immediately, one of the buttons doesn't even work. No text on it, nothing, okay? Got that thing fixed.
Nothing is more important in your life than wishlisting my game right now on Steam.
Yeah, this is this like a weighted blanket but for your head?
This feels so good, actually. It's like cold, it's cooling, it's like a heat sink for your brain.
Oh, that's perfect.
Yeah.
Perfect for developers.
Out the tower, everyone in the vicinity of the tower can hear what's coming out of here.
Prime is literally not sleeping right now because of this, so sucks for him.
Yeah, that's what he gets to deal with.
Yeah. Yeah, well, we have to read his code, so
Yeah,
who's
yeah,
the real
yeah.
loser?
Honestly, as someone who actually games, the game kind of feels like shit right now. Nobody knows what they're doing. Nobody's taking it seriously. We need to play the game.
Press.
I have muscle tension dysphonia in the throat, and so I'm in pain right now. So this actually will de-stress your muscles.
This is therapeutic, Chad.
Low level regaling us with the sound of whatever's in that container. Guys, it's extra strength Tylenol. Okay, listen, it's not that serious. You get a little headache, you just take like roughly 30 or 40 of these, you see, you just pop them back. You're good to go, man. You're good to go. Locked in.
Those are Tic Tacs, by the way.
No, they're not. Getting more artistic by the hour.
TJ loves reading the dogs.
Amazing.
Reading the dogs. Dogs. Reading the dogs.
Quick, start it and go into cursor and let's try something.
All right, I just wanted to do a quick test here.
Dude, you remapped.
He's fighting too hard. He's fighting too hard.
Abort.
Another day at the tower. Some say what we've started here can't be finished. But I say some things never need to be finished. Like you watching this stream. It never needs to end. We're live right now. Come over to the stream, see what happens next. You're going to be surprised at what the game looks like. Let's get going.